Hi, good morning everyone. This is myself, Tulsiram. Today we are going to discuss about is it the right time to buy an electric vehicle in 2024? So you may ask a question. Already we have the latest petrol vehicles, we have the latest electric vehicles in the market. Is the right time to buy an electric vehicle in 2024? So our session today will be focused on what is the cost of the vehicle, what is the running cost of vehicles, as well as the fuel consumption and the maintenance cost per kilometer. Let's try to do a comparison table between these two parameters such a way that you will get a clarity which vehicle has to be purchased. Try to go with the comparative table. So in this first content, I'm going to discuss about Splendor Plus. I'm taking the example, and here in this example I'm taking the latest Vola S1 X model. So you may ask a question, sir, why is the need of this video? Now many are in confusion which electric vehicle has to be buy or which petrol vehicle has to be buy, and they are in confusion that in one more segment either to buy an petrol vehicle or either to buy an electric vehicle. This is one more type of confusion. To overcome all these confusions, we are going to do this comparison video on petrol vehicles as well as on electric vehicle. We are going to compare in all these three segments. After this video, you'll be very clear about whether to buy an petrol vehicle or whether to buy an electric vehicle. Hope the things are very clear. Let's try to proceed with the first point. So first point, let's try to take the investment amount. So I'm taking the latest mileage vehicle in the sector of petrol vehicles, which is called as internal combustion engine segment. I'm going to compare with electric vehicle, the best vehicle Vola S1X. So coming to the cost of this vehicle in the market is 75,149. So excluding the road insurance and remaining. So here I'm fixing the cost as 75,151, which is the on-road price, and here I'm taking the on-road price of the vehicle is 1,20,000, but as per the government policy we are going to get the subsidy of around 30,000. Sir, what is this 30,000? Actually, the rating of this electric vehicle is 3 kilowatt. For each kilowatt, the central government is giving a subsidy of 10,000 rupees. So, like that, 10,000 into 3, you are going to get a subsidy in the name of an scheme called as a FAME 2. Sir, what is this FAME 2 scheme? So, FAME 2 is nothing but faster adoption and manufacturing of a electric vehicle in India under FAME 2, which is called as phase 2. So this is what the expansion of FAME 2. So under this scheme, we are going to get this vehicle an overall cost of approximately 89,999, make a rough figure of 90,000. Okay, so this is the cost. So if you are buying a Splendor, you have to invest 75,000. If you are buying an latest electric vehicle, you need to invest 90,000. Now coming to the second segment, which is nothing but the running cost. So in order to run this petrol vehicle, what is the running cost? In order to run this electric vehicle, what is the cost? So coming to the running cost. So here the maximum mileage I am considering this vehicle is going to offer 60 kilometers per liter as the maximum mileage, and here the specifications claimed by the Vola S1 Pro is it is offering a mileage of 151 kilometers per single charge. Per single charge, it is going to offer 60 kilometers per liter and 151 kilometers per liter. Let's try to calculate what it exactly means. So actually, the fuel cost in Andhra Pradesh is 1 liter petrol cost is constituting 112 rupees. So in order to drive 60 kilometers, we need to invest a cost of 1112. So coming to the cost, so 1 kilometer to run 1 kilometer we need to invest 1112 divided by 60, so which is nothing but 1 rupee 86, I mean 1 rupee 86 paisa per kilometer. So this is the cost we are investing to run 1 kilometer by using an petrol vehicle. So coming to here, we have to calculate for 151 kilometers. Actually, to charge one electric vehicle of rating of 3 kilowatt hour, which is nothing but you need how many units, is nothing but 3 units. You need 3 units. We need 3 units. Sir, what is this 3 units? So first one, let's try to calculate. If you charge your electric vehicle with class 1 charger at domestic charging, or if you charge your electric vehicle at your home. If you charge your electric vehicle at home, the government of AP is charging you approximately 5 rupees. Approximately 5 rupees if you are in the tariff range of 150 units. So first try to calculate for this. So in order to run 151 kilometers of 3 units of unit price of 5 rupees each unit. So we are going to calculate per kilometer, so which is nothing but 15 rupees divided by 151. So coming to the first comparison, so in order to run 1 kilometer, your electric vehicle is going to consume approximately 0.09 pies, so approximately 10 pies, 0.09 pies, approximately 10 paisa per kilometer. So you can compare, this is 10 paisa per kilometer, this is 10 pies per kilometer, where this is constituting a 1.86 time. So this is approximately 1 by 18 times. So your cost is saved. So if you buy an petrol vehicle, so the cost is 1 rupee 86 pice, but here it is 10 pice. So the approximately 1 by 18 time you are going to save if you buy an electric vehicle when you compare with an petrol vehicle. So this is nothing but in terms of one segment. Coming to the next category, for example, this will not be same if you are charging your, for example, you may charge your electric vehicle at an NU station, at fast charging stations offered by the manufacturer. So they may charge you for 1 kilometer in fast charging also. So they may charge at a maximum rate of 10 rupees. So now I am going to calculate. So this may also be employed 10 rupees if you have an domestic load when you are consuming more than 300 units. So coming to the overall cost, in order to run 151 kilometers, so you need to have 3 units at a cost of 10 rupees. So approximately for to run 1 kilometers, this is 30 divided by 151. So to run 1 kilometer, we need to invest 20 pice. We need to invest 20 pice per kilometer. So when you compare this with the IC engine, you can see here your cost is reduced approximately 9 times. The cost is reduced approximately 9 times. So per unit cost. So here this is constituting only 20 paisa, where this is constituting 1 rupee 86 paisa. So 1 by 9th of amount you are saving. So when you buy an electric vehicle. So this is the comparison with respect to only running cost. Let's try to make a one more comparison. So now the conclusion is in terms of running cost, EVs are say compared with petrol vehicles. So the cost is saved approximately 9 times, 1 by 9 times of your amount you are going to save, which is going to constitute 20 paisa, where this is going to constitute 1 rupee 86. So now as per this running cost, the best choice of the vehicle is electric vehicle.